Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this error, unable to communicate with the Horizon Live matchmaking service with their code 0x80600460, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your Xbox app. It doesn't matter if you have the game on Xbox or Steam. And here what you're going to do is you're going to click onto your username and then you're going to go into support. Now you're going to click onto gaming services repair tool. Click start repairing then. And now it will diagnose your issue and it will try to fix it on its own. It can sometimes fix it, but sometimes it can fail as well. This is not the main solution for us. We're just going to let it do its thing. Once it's done, click close on here and then sign out from your Xbox. Click sign out here and then close the Xbox app. Now you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here view network connections. You're going to disable your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet. And if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So just right click on it, click disable then. You're going to go to your C drive now. And then Xbox games, game save, PGS. And now you're going to have a folder with a name like this. This stores your save files. So now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on this folder, click rename. You're going to add anything like old or test on here. After that, you're going to close this up and then you're going to open up your network settings again. You're going to enable your network device. And after your network device is enabled, right click on your network device, click properties, go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties again, click use the following DNS server addresses, write on a 1.1.1.1 and in the alternate DNS, you're going to write 1.0.0.1 and then click OK here and then click OK again. Now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, you're going to open up the Xbox app again. You're going to sign in to your Xbox account. Once you're done signing in, you're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. Now you're going to right click on Forza Horizon 6, click properties, click on install files and then click verify integrity of game files here. Once you click onto that, now you should be able to play Forza Horizon 6 and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I will see you in my next video. Peace.